Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Atana and today's video we're gonna make a chess piece, chessboard and chess box. Technically chessboard is going to be on the chess box and we're gonna do it with the air-dry clay. So let's just do it. There's some couple of things that we need for doing that, like air-dry clay, varnish, colors, roller, and of course idea. The first piece is going to be pawn. Second day of making my unique chess piece. I made all the pawns yesterday and it takes me 5 hours even though I get hope. So let's just start to do the left ones. became 10 days since I'm doing my new chess piece, and I'm already colored my pieces with acrylic, and I'm gonna do it also on my box, and then it will be all done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I think it's the time for new stupid idea.